Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign up for Zoom. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Zoom website if you do not already have the address saved. Once the Google homepage loads, click into the search bar so you can start typing. Next, type in Zoom and run the search. Keep the search simple and exact so the official website appears clearly near the top of the results. This helps avoid clicking on unrelated pages or third-party links. When the search results appear, look for the official Zoom result and click it. You want to make sure you are entering the real Zoom website before creating an account. In most cases, the official result is easy to spot because it includes Zoom branding and leads directly to the company's main site. Taking a moment to confirm this can save time and make the sign-up process smoother. After the Zoom homepage opens, move to the top right area of the screen and click Sign Up Free. This is the main option Zoom provides for new users who want to create an account. If the homepage looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Website layouts can change from time to time, but the Sign Up Free button is usually still visible in the upper right corner. Once you select that option, Zoom will begin the account creation process. You may first be asked to enter a birth year. Fill in the requested year as prompted on the screen. This step is typically used for eligibility or account setup purposes, so just continue with the form as directed. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete your sign-up. Zoom may guide you through a few standard account setup screens, and the exact prompts can vary slightly depending on your location or device. The important thing is to read each page carefully and continue through the process until your account is created. As a general tip, take your time while filling out any required information and double-check what you enter before moving forward. That can help prevent errors and make activation easier if Zoom asks you to verify your account. And that's it. By going to Google, searching for Zoom, opening the official website, selecting Sign Up Free, and following the on-screen instructions, you can create your Zoom account in just a few minutes.